Welcome to Mr. Bell Kitchen today. Today, Mr. Bell will be doing something different on the stove today. Today, I'll be sauteing some sardines and onions. As you see, some boneless sardines and everything. We're going to have this over some rice today. I'm just going to melt this butter and everything. Let it melt and everything right in here, just like that. Chopped up some nice good onions. I'm going to just saute them and everything. And I have 2 cans of boneless sardines I'm going to put in there. Use a little black pepper, a little seasoning salt, and a little garlic salt. And we're going to have this over some rice. Put these onions in. So get it nice and good. As you see, it's cooking nice and good. As you see, it's nice and good. Right there, it's done. I'm going to take it out. Looking nice and good. Have this over some rice. This right here is going to be delicious. Test it out and see how it come out. Yeah, you see it's looking nice and good over some rice. That is good, and that's cooking with the bells. We did it again. If you like it, leave a comment in the box. you don't know how to subscribe, that's all you have to do is hit that bell and you'll subscribe to Mr. Bell Kitchen. Thank you for watching.